Hello students, welcome to your general knowledge class. This is class 1 general knowledge class. So take out your book and open at page number 50. Are you a knowledge which? Are you a knowledge which? Knowledge which means a person with a very high level of skill or knowledge. A person who have very high level knowledge or skill. Okay, learn how to become a top quizzer. How to become a top quizzer. Quiz means test of knowledge, and who take the test of knowledge is called quizzer. Okay, have you seen the question that asks you to find out the odd one? Yes, you have already seen. You have practiced to find out the odd one. I know, right? They are very easy to answer. If you follow some steps, they are very easy. Find out the odd one is very easy. Now, there is a picture on your book. Number A, let us try to find out the odd one in this set of names. Okay, you have to find out the odd ones in this set of names. There are 4 boys and girls. They are playing in a park or garden. They are playing football. Look at very carefully at the pictures. Their names are given here. First one, Ajoy, who is a boy, and Amya, who is a girl, Aryan, boy, and Arnav, boy. So 3 boys and 1 girl. Amya, girl name is Amya. Ajay, Aryan and Arnab, they are boys. Now follow the steps below. Number 1, first find what is common to all the words. All the words, name, their name. All, what is common? Yes, we see that all the names start with A, letter A, right? So now look at the options. Option A, we see that all of them are names. It is, all of them are names. Yes, we see that all names are start with A. So here, option B is the common. We see that all the names start with A. Okay? It is the most common one. So, tick 1A. Next, what is different in all the words? What is different in all the words? Answer is given. Ajoy, Aryan and Arnab are boys, but Amma is not. Amya, it is a girl's name. So, we know that Amya is the odd one. Right? It is clear to you? Now, go to the next page. Page number 51. Now find the odd ones in the sets below. Find the odd ones in the sets below. First one, it is done for you. Example, mouth, nose, knee and ear. So, which is the odd one here? Yes, here knee is the odd one. Mouth, nose, knee, ear, they are our body parts. But mouth, nose and ear all are on our face. Mouth, nose and ear, they are all our face, but knee is not. That's why knee is odd one. So, here the odd one is knee. It is already done. Next, number 1. Cricket, chess, hockey, football. They are names of games. Now tell me which one is odd one here? Yes, here odd one is chess. Why? Chess is odd one here. Number B is the answer. Chess is odd one because chess is a indoor game and cricket, hockey, football, they are outdoor games. So chess is odd. And number 2, jeans, shoes, slippers, boots. Now tell me which is the odd one here. Yes, number A, letter A, jeans is odd one here. Why odd one? Because shoes, slipper and boots, we wear them on our foot. That's why they are odd ones. They are same, and odd is jeans. So number A, here odd is jeans. And rest of them, shoes, slipper and boots, we wear them on our feet. And number 3, pencil, notebook, handbag, sharpener. Which one is odd one here? Number 3, tell me the answer. Pencil, notebook, handbag and sharpener. Yes, here handbag is the odd one. Why it is odd one? Because we use pencil, notebook and sharpener at the time of writing. But handbag is odd. So handbag is the odd one. Next, number 4. Bus, bicycle, car and truck. Bus, bicycle, car and truck. Now tell me which is the odd one here. Yes, bicycle. Option B. Bicycle is odd one. Because bus, car and truck, they moves on fuel. But bicycle is not. That's why bicycle is odd one here. Next, number 5. Sweater, shorts, jacket and gloves. Which one is odd one? Tell me. Yes, gloves. It is odd one. Option D. Because sweaters, suits, shorts and jackets, we wear it on our body, and gloves we wear on our palms and finger to cover our palm and finger. That's why gloves is odd one here. Now, option C, draw the odd ones in B in the given space. There is a given space on your book. You have to draw the odd ones. Chess, jeans, handbag, cycle, bicycle, gloves. Draw it here. This is your today's homework. You draw it. Okay. Your general knowledge class is up to this much. Bye bye.